Hey guys, it's lunch today. Prefab frozen pizza, microwaved, from Lidl of course. Hey guys, except for that pizza I got at Lidl today, I also got me this new microwave and grill combination oven. It's a nice thing. Well, as I just said, it combines microwave and grill options. So yeah, very cool. And yeah, as I'm working, as I had it's even older, a 23-year-old microwave and a 35-year-old little grill oven. I thought it was time to improve on that, and for 60 euros I got me this thing. So yeah, I'm curious if it will live up to my expectations, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, first food being prepared in my oven. I finally got a rotating platter as well, because before it was just fixed at a it didn't rotate, you know. Anyway, I think this will mean the heating will be better. It's going nice, but I think it can do a little bit more. And guess what? Now it's rotating the other way around. Ah, nice and warm, the way it should be. Itadakimasu. Time to go and watch Tron Legacy. I do like this Disney opener. Completely in style. Yeah. And that's the end of today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.